In the wake of her divorce from Johnny Depp, actress Amber Heard claims that Warner Bros. Studio took a lot from her character in the upcoming Aquaman sequel. Heard told Variety that Warner Bros., the company behind the Aquaman property, didn't want her in the film. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we will be looking at Amber Heard's remarks on her eviction from Aquaman 2 and how she lied about it. Yeah, you heard it right. So, let's start our video. Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, starring Jason Momoa, is scheduled for release on March 17, 2023. In comic book films produced by Warner Bros. And DC Entertainment, Heard portrays Mera. She portrayed the character for the first time in the 2017 film Justice League, which she described as a three-picture option. There are speculations that her participation in Aquaman 2 was directly affected by the domestic abuse drama trial and all the negative news surrounding it. However, this does not appear to be the case in this instance. Heard testified that Warner Bros. Restricted her involvement in the film, but according to Warner Bros. Executives, there were to be more dramatic action moments. In a deposition, Walter Hamada of DC Films revealed that Heard's involvement in the Aquaman franchise as a witness summoned by Depp's counsel. Hamada acquitted in court that Warner Bros. Considered substituting Amber Heard in Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom due to alleged chemistry issues between her and Jason Momoa. According to Hamada, these flaws were purportedly remedied in the post-production of the first picture, utilizing inventive filmmaking techniques. They didn't have a lot of chemistry together, Hamada testified. Editorially, they were able to make that relationship work in the first movie, but there was a concern that it took a lot of effort to get there. The studio chief continued, "You know it when you see it. The chemistry wasn't there." In addition, the studio executive testified in court that the domestic abuse allegations and the negative press played no role in the decision to fire or demote her. Ultimately, Warner Bros. Did nothing more than delay her option to return, and she got $2 million for the sequel, which was double what she earned for the first film. According to Hamada, Heard's role as Mera has remained unchanged since the 2018 conception of the picture, despite rumors to the contrary. So, it appears from the studio's perspective that their concern is with Momoa's on-screen chemistry, not the public drama concerning her ex-husband Johnny Depp, which will not help her countersuit. Aquaman 2 is slated for release on March 17, 2023, and it is expected that any scenes shot by Amber Heard will remain in the picture. This means that her accusations that Johnny Depp defamed her and negatively impacted her role in Aquaman are baseless. Additionally, this demonstrates that Jason Momoa has never requested Amber Heard's removal from the cast. During the previous court hearing, Amber Heard's agency was also advised that the actress's role in Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom was decreased due to chemistry problems. However, the agent believes that the negative press coverage surrounding Heard's allegations against Johnny Depp has harmed her career. Amber Heard's talent representative, Jessica Kovacevic of WME, effectively testified in Depp's defamation lawsuit against Heard on Friday, alleging that Heard earned a lower role in the planned sequel owing to her lack of chemistry with Jason Momoa's character. Heard was initially cast in the 2017 film Justice League before portraying Mera in the 2018 movie Aquaman. According to Kovacevic's testimony, Heard was also anticipated to receive $2 million in the sequel. The actress has already shot the film, which will be released in March 2023. According to a representative, Warner Bros. Informed her that Heard's diminished role in Aquaman 2 was owing to a lack of chemistry between her and Jason. According to the agent, Heard's role as Mera diminished after she had read the script. In analyzing the actress's success, Kovacevic remarked that Heard's career did not take off as soon as Momoa's after Aquaman. When asked about how Heard's career was harmed, Kovacevic said, "In my experience, your career takes a turn after something like that. She was very well received in the movie at the time, everyone was happy with her at that time, and there were no issues. Then, to have a complete downturn after that, and then have that coincide with constant tweets and negativity put out about her, I don't have a physical piece of paper of evidence, but it's the only logical conclusion that I can draw." She added that Heard dropped the role in a forthcoming Amazon project due to the unfavorable headlines. When questioned further, Kovacevic indicated that Depp's attorney, Adam Wallman's comments, including that Heard's claims against Johnny Depp were fake, added gasoline to the fire. According to Kovacevic, there were no issues with Heard's performance in Aquaman. Rather, the actor tested exceptionally well for the picture. Amber Heard testified in the past that her role as the female protagonist in the Aquaman sequel, opposite Momoa's title character, was significantly decreased owing to poor press. According to Heard, she has a 3-picture contract to play Mera, starting with 2017's Justice League, and her income will grow with each subsequent DC feature. According to court documents, she was paid $1 million in advance for Aquaman and $2 million for its sequel, with potential box office incentives for both. However, once the hoax claims made headlines, the communication stopped between Warner Bros. And Heard regarding Aquaman 2 scheduling and production. According to Heard, her involvement in the sequel was finally very pared down. "I fought really hard to stay in the movie. They didn't want to include me in the film," Heard testified. "I was given a script and then given new versions of the script that had taken away scenes that had action in it, that depicted my character and another character without giving any spoilers away, two characters fighting with one another, and they basically took a bunch out of my role. They just removed a bunch out," she added. In the meantime, speculations about the Aquaman sequel have begun to circulate in all major media outlets. The film was apparently watched by members of the press earlier this month, and it was discovered that Amber's screen time is only 10 minutes. Johnny Depp also testified in court that Amber was cast in Aquaman because of her friendship with Jason Momoa. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section down below. I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned.